I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch from Vodafone to 3UK and want to keep your number, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure that your Vodafone account is active and not in the middle of a contract. If you're still under contract, you may need to pay off any remaining fees. Step 2. Get your PSC code. To port your number, you need a porting authorization code PSC. You can request this by texting PSC to 65075 from your Vodafone number. You should receive the code via SMS within a few minutes. Step 3. Sign up with 3. Once you have your PSC, visit a 3 store or their website to sign up for a new plan. During the sign-up process, you will be asked if you want to keep your existing number. Provide your PSC code when prompted. Step 4. Wait for the porting process. After submitting your PSC code, 3 will initiate the porting process. This usually takes up to 1 working day, but it can be quicker. You'll receive a confirmation once your number has been successfully transferred. Step 5. Test your new SIM. Once you receive confirmation, insert your new 3 SIM into your phone and test it by making a call or sending a text. If everything works, your number has been successfully ported. If not, you may need to restart your phone or check your settings. Switching providers can seem daunting, but following these steps should make it a breeze. Good luck with your new plan.